That means there's somebody in that phone that's a maybe. We was in our premarital class and they did something really funny. When we first got there, they was like, unlock your phone and give your spouse the phone so we could take a selfie. Because they wanted us to have pictures of ourselves in our spouse's phone. And so we took the picture and then they was like, okay, now go through it. Oh my God. You could have heard a pin fall in the room the way those people was acting. Oh, they was terrified. Some guys was even reaching to get their phone back. But it showed you in that moment that they could not trust each other. And you meaning to tell me that you all will share beds, but you can't sell cell phone passwords? You will share your body, but I can't see your phone. Come on, man. But we supposed to have good relationship. My wife got the password to everything, because I ain't got nothing to hide. We gotta have trust in our relationship. I'm talking about real trust. Real trust. You can't tell me you're gonna give me your body, but you hiding in your phone. You hiding in your social media. That means you're really not fully committed to me.